is up, you far out interdimensional beings? Thank you for being here. It's a good day, and we are going over unslashed finance today because this is one more insurance one, but I'm not too sure how many more insurance ones I'll be covering, but this is a pretty interesting one, and it has to do, I did another one earlier, and that one was pretty cool. Gave a pretty specific layout. This one's a bit different as it offers a bunch of different plans, and we'll get into what that means in a minute. Unslashed Finance right now it's trading at 88 cents, and it is doesn't have a reported market cap, and the fully diluted market cap is 75 million. But in the last 24 hours, there was $130,000 traded of this stuff. So real quick, where you can get it is on Uniswap and Who, which I actually haven't even heard of, but Uniswap. Also, as you can see, for the last 1 year, it's at an all-time low. So that is pretty interesting. If you go to the year chart, you'll see that they were at $6.04 and went all the way down here to about 88 cents. So something clearly happened. So definitely just look at this project, understand what it's about before we jump into anything really, because this is not a good trend. Clearly that's a lot of red, But what you want to keep your eyes peeled for is more projects in the crypto space that are like this. I already went over one of them, but there will be more, and this one may turn out to be a good one. They've only been around since March, so this happened in March. It fell, so you can get up to an average of 24%, and then they $500 million insured assets, and 3,210 capital providers. So a lot of people are invested in this. So now what we're really here to look at is, what do they do? What do they offer? So basically you just come over here, click get insured, and then it'll take you to this dashboard where you can connect your wallet, your claims, your supply capital, all of that stuff. And basically here's your premium price per year, and what you're covered at. So you have to click this, you have to connect your wallet, and then you have to go through and actually enter into the contract. But they have all of these different insurances here for the exchange and stuff like that. So it's a little bit different than saying, for $350 we can protect this much of your assets, and for $400 or $4,500 then we can cover all of your assets up to $140,000 and cover 100% from scammers, 100% from losses, all that stuff. So that's a little bit different of an insurance system than what you're looking at here, and you just have a bunch of stuff that you got to go and look through and see which smart contract is going to be the best for you, which one's going to give you, like this one right here is a 0.2% premium price per year, which is the lowest I've ever seen. So I don't know, maybe there's something going on with that one with Compound. But basically this is a whole dashboard of this is like looking at health insurance, but you're just looking at finance insurance, and they have a pretty interesting dashboard. I think that is user friendly to say the least. I think that they're if they had a market cap, I'd be a little bit more sure of myself in what I say about it, but I just was scrolling through, looking at it. It seems like a pretty cool project that is in the crypto space right now. I do not think that it will moon anytime soon. This chart does not foretell any of that whatsoever, but it does show some promise during mass adoption, possibly. Their engagement isn't really there. I guess it's hard to get people amped up about finance insurance and finance, financial insurance in the crypto space. I can see it. It's a tough market, but they do have some good, posts, comments and engagements and stuff like that. They are on their way, but a small company, needless to say. What a lot of these are doing is the InstaDApp, smart contract integrity. But then you have Binance over here that says deposited funds protection. So you're ensuring different aspects of the crypto market based on what you got going throughout these companies. So when you purchase this one, it's a 0.3% premium per year. You have deposited funds protection. So the funds that you have in Binance, which is kind of crazy because I guarantee there's a clause in there that says if you transfer it and the money doesn't show up, that's not what they cover. But deposited funds protection that keeps Binance from being hacked. I do remember Binance was hacked in the very, very beginning in like 2017, 2016. So you can insure your deposited funds with them. And then you just want to make sure that these smart contracts hold up their integrity. And what that means is you want to make sure that if you buy an NFT on one of these platforms, that it actually goes through and verifies your NFT and the integrity of that, so you don't have to pay another gas fee or something like that. So that's what a lot of these have going for them in terms of what you insure, whereas the other one that I covered, the other insurance that I covered, that one covers your funds. This one covers features, essentially. All right, that's it. That's all for UnSlashed. If you like this, don't like this, you know why this happened, something that I don't know, let me know in the comment section below, and we'll have a conversation about it. Until then, much love. Peace.